Practice reading every day.
अल्फाज को गौर से पढ़ो. अल्फाज, व्हाट इज इन इंग्लिश अल्फाज?
Words. Words.
वर्ड्स. वेल डन,
Carefully.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Carefully read.
हम्म.
Read
हम्म.
words carefully.
Read the words carefully.
Words
Okay,
carefully.
almost good.
Read
Almost is okay. Read the words carefully. Well done. Next
carefully.
one. पढ़ते वक्त सीधे बैठो. सीधे बैठो. Okay,
Sit
sit properly.
properly.
पढ़ते वक्त.
Uh,
पढ़ते वक्त,
sit
खाते
pro-
वक्त, सोते वक्त. What was that?
Sit
One word was
properly.
there. वक्त, वक्त. पढ़ते वक्त, खाते
Why?
वक्त, सोते
Why?
वक्त, जागते
Why?
वक्त. While.
Why?
Well done. Sit properly
While
while
reading.
reading. Sit
Yes. Sit
properly while
properly while
reading.
reading.
Very good. Main thing is that now you understand this one. While. We will, what word we will use? While. Okay. पढ़ते वक्त, सोते वक्त, खाते वक्त. Where you want during something, during, अगर किसी की दरमियान में कोई चीज आ जाए, during that one, so you have to say while. Driving के दौरान,
While.
driving के दौरान. Okay. So while driving. कुकिंग के दौरान, वाइल कुकिंग. ओके. वाइल टेकिंग शावर, वाइल टेकिंग शावर, मैं जब शावर ले रही थी, मैं नहा रही थी, नहाते वक्त. ओके. यानी कि कुछ भी आप कह सकती हो कि इस टाइम ऐसे करते हुए ऐसे हो गया, वाइल. ओके, यू गॉट.
Okay.